Hey everyone, it's Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my first ever Nykaa haul. So all these products will be mentioned in the description box below. So make sure you check them out as well. And I am very excited. So let's get into the video. So the first product I have is the Pond's Wild Beauty BB Cream. I have used this BB cream before as well, and I just wanted to buy it again. So yeah, no particular reason, and it is very good for daily purpose as well. If you don't want full coverage or any foundation base, you can go for this. The next product I have is the NYX Professional Makeup Eyeshadow Base. This is in the shade white, I guess. Yeah, and you can apply this before eye makeup on your eyes. It just helps to enhance your eyeshadow. The next product I have is the Faces Canada Weightless Matte Finish Compact. I haven't tried any Faces like product before. I think I like Faces Compact before, and it was on discount, so I just wanted to give it a try. This is how this looks like. Very normal packaging, nothing extra. So yeah, the next product that I have is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour matte cover foundation. So this is their new foundation. So the thing is that I got something free with this, and that is the L'Oreal makeup brushes. So this is what the packaging looks like. Very cute, but the inside products are not so worth it. They have got these 3 brushes. One is kind of like a blusher brush, the other maybe is like a foundation concealer brush, and the last one is an eyeshadow or lip brush. और वैसे भी फ्री में मिलने ही क्या वाला है. So anyways, I am in love with the box though. I will see what I can like put inside it. So yeah, I got this combo, and yeah, from Nykaa. So the next product is this Faces Canada Ultime Pro lipstick. Let me show you the packaging. Like, this is like such a wow product. So this is how this looks like how fancy. I just love this lipstick so much. Yeah, this is so adorable. How pretty. I love this. Definitely gonna wear it. So with this I got this Faces Canada blending sponge. This is how this looks like. Yeah, most of things I have bought for free because offer मिल रहा है तो. So this is how the sponges look like. I haven't tried them yet, but they are like so pretty colors. Definitely gonna try them. So yeah. The next product I have is this Nicka K New York eyeshadow palette in the shade Birthday Cake. This is how this looks like. Very pretty and colorful shades. Like, if you are looking for some colorful eyeshadows and you don't know how to play with them and you still want to have some, you can go for these. Like, Nykaa always have them on discount, and like they are like really very pigmented, so you should totally try them out as well. So yeah, I just love these shades. They have like the mattes and the shimmers all in one, so totally can go for this. The next product I have are sheet mask. Like whenever I am out of sheet masks, I buy them in offer or discount. So these are where the 5 buy 5 get 5 one, and these are the Tony Moly sheet masks. And yeah, I haven't tried them out yet, so I'm really excited. Do let me know what if you have tried these out and what do you think about these sheet masks. So yeah. So along with this face mask, I also got two for my eyes. These are the Garnier Hydra Bomb Eye Serum Mask. These are basically to apply like beneath your eyes for your dark. I haven't tried these out as well, so yeah, these as well. The next product I have is the eyelash curler. This is from the Bronson Professional. I actually needed one. I kind of lost my other eyelash curler, so I had to get one. So this came very cheap, like around 100 or something. So yeah. The next product I have is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. This is the multi-use concealer I wanted to get my hands on. This is in the shade Sand. This is not my shade, but this is a bit lighter, but I can totally use it as a highlighter. So yeah. The next product I have is the Khadi Natural Ayurvedic Soap Kit. So, and this smells really nice. So I just got them again. And also the packaging is so cute. Okay, so moving on to the next product, I also got this Vadi Herbals Papaya Soap. This is also a handmade soap with essential oils, so just wanted to give it a try. The product I got is this Maybelline Colossal Bold Liner, a liquid liner, because you always need to have one. Also, I bought this, the other reason is because I got something free, and that is this Hyper Gliss Ink liner. This is a black liner, but it has glitter in it, and I got it for free, so yeah, so much. Yeah. Next I have is the Blue Heaven Sapphire eyeshadow. This is in the shade Shooting Star. This is like how this looks like. This is like a silver eyeshadow. So I haven't tried this kind of glitter eyeshadow before, like liquid eyeshadow. So I just wanted to give it a try. So yeah. If you apply it over the eyeshadow, this is definitely gonna show a big difference. Okay, so the last few products, this is the last few products. So these are the lipsticks. So I also got some lipsticks. So here I have Maybelline, L'Oreal, and one Nicka K lipstick. So the Maybelline and the L'Oreal ones are like the buy one get one. So I'll be showing them later. So the first is the Nicka K True Matte liquid lipstick. So this is in the shade Turkish Rose. I like this lipstick, but the only problem with this is like it dries very quickly, so I would recommend applying a lip balm before applying this lipstick. But other than that, this is like a very nice color, like not nude, not pink, kind of an everyday color, and I like this. So yeah. The next lipsticks are the Maybelline lipsticks. I actually bought this one in the shade Dynamite Red. This is the powder matte shade, and it's the limited edition. This is how this looks like. It is a very beautiful tangerine red color. And I totally am in love with this shade. And I also love how cute the packaging is. Okay, so the next product is the Maybelline Creamy Matte in the shade Hot Chili. This is how this looks like. Not very different, but in a kind of cool tone. So the last products are the L'Oreal products. So basically I got this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade 366. I already have two more shades in this range, and I just love these lipsticks. These are like so long lasting and totally like smudge proof, transfer proof, waterproof, I don't know. So I just love them, and so yeah, let me show you how this looks like. This is such a beautiful shade. Totally in love with this. So the other one that I got for free with this one is the L'Oreal Paris Color Rich Matte in the shade Rich Merlot. This is how this looks like, totally kind of a maroon shade. Let me swatch it. Both of these shades are kind of similar, but this is such a beautiful shade. I just cannot imagine getting it for free. Like, see it for yourself. Just love this shade so much. Yeah, the L'Oreal shades are and like, for my favorites are these L'Oreal shades. Let me know in the comments down below which one is yours favorite from these. So yeah, so that's it guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. Hey guys, it's time. Hey everyone.